What's the meaning of Cecil Rhodes? Cecil Rhodes. Cecil Rhodes.
Cecil Rhodes. Cecil Rhodes. Cecil Rhodes was a British businessman, mining magnate and politician in southern Africa during the late 19th century. He is known for his role in the expansion of the British Empire, particularly in South Africa, where he played a leading role in the colonization of territories including Rhodesia, now Zimbabwe, and Zambia. Rhodes believed that the Anglo-Saxon race was superior and had a duty to bring civilization to other parts of the world. His legacy continues to be controversial due to his involvement in the exploitation of African resources and the displacement of indigenous peoples.